been changing things around here again. So when you go under memberships, it looks a bit different than the video that I did a year ago about how to customize what your course looks like. So it's now broken down into these separate things: client portals, courses, communities. I haven't even looked at what these are yet. But what we were doing before was going into courses, starting with settings in order to set the logo. And you know what? A year ago I said, I need to update this logo. And did I do that? No. It's still there. It's super out of date. So you put your favicon and your logo in here for it to pull from. And then we will go to a course itself that we want to update. I'm going to edit the details. Okay. I don't have a description. I don't have a thumbnail because I have not really figured out what I want to do with this yet. But now when I click on customize, this looks really different. So there's a default theme here, but like, how the heck do you edit that? So up here, we can say, apply this template, but that still isn't going to show you. Whoa, okay, I'm wrong. It is going to show you exactly how to customize it immediately. Oh my goodness. All right, so there's actually a lot more detail with what we can do with this. See, I assumed that we would click under here to customize. I wonder what would happen if I hadn't clicked here first, though. Okay, so this is, again, only for each individual particular course. But when you go browse system templates, that's where you're going to see these ones that we have seen before. And you'll click on activate and it'll take you straight into customizing it. Or if you come out of it, it will be here for you to be able to, again, go back in here. And they give you a lot more options, which is kind of neat. So I guess I might have to play with this. So hopefully that helps you to keep your courses nice and branded and looking exactly how you want.